In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group on Google Drive. We'll use Google Drive's side panel to jump into Google Contacts and create a label, which functions like a group. Once it's set up, you can add multiple people to it and use that group for quick emailing and easier sharing. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Drive. If you're on the Google homepage instead, click the grid icon in the top right corner. This is the Google Apps launcher, and choose Drive. This ensures you're in the right place to access contacts from the Drive interface. When My Drive loads, look to the vertical sidebar on the right edge of the screen. Click the Contacts icon there. To keep your Drive tab available, it's a good idea to open Contacts in a new tab so you can easily switch back and forth without losing your place. Google Contacts will open. Here's where the actual group is created. In Contacts, groups are called labels, and they let you organize people under a single name. In the lower left panel, click the plus button to create a new label. Give your label a clear, memorable name, something like Project Team or Family, so you'll recognize it later when you're sharing or sending an email. Then click Save to create the label. With the label ready, it's time to add people to it. In your main contacts list, check the box next to every contact you want to include in this group. You can select one or many at once, and you can always change this later, so don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. After you've selected your contacts, go to the toolbar at the top and click the label icon. A list of labels will appear. Choose the label you just created, then click Apply. That's the key action that assigns all the selected people to your new group. You've successfully created your contact group. If you want to confirm everything looks right, open the label from the left panel to see everyone included under that group name. You can add or remove people at any time by selecting their contact, clicking the label icon again, and checking or unchecking the label before applying. A quick tip for using your new group. In Gmail, you can type the label name in the recipient field to email everyone in the group at once, and in many Google sharing dialogues, you can enter that same label name to share files or folders with the entire group efficiently. That's it. Your contact group is set up and ready to go.